Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off your laptop screen while keeping your PC running in Windows 11. This is a useful feature when you want to save power or reduce screen glare while your computer continues to run tasks in the background. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready, you'll want to access the power settings to configure how your screen and system behave. Start by navigating to your Windows Start menu, which is located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it. Once the Start menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Power and Sleep Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will directly take you to the power management options where you can control both your screen timeout and sleep settings. After pressing Enter, a Power and Sleep Settings window will open up, displaying various options for managing your device's power behavior. This is where you'll make the key adjustments to achieve what you want. Look for the section labeled Screen with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see several time duration options. Select your preferred time duration for when you want your laptop screen to turn off automatically. You can choose options ranging from 1 minute to several hours depending on how long you want the screen to stay on before it turns off. This setting will turn off your display after the specified time of inactivity, helping you save power and reduce unnecessary screen usage. Now here's the important part to keep your PC running. Just below the screen setting, you'll see another section labeled Sleep with its own drop-down menu. This setting controls when your entire computer goes into sleep mode. Since you want to keep your laptop running and only turn off the screen, click on the Sleep drop-down menu and select Never from the list of options. By setting this to Never, you're ensuring that your computer will continue running all its processes, downloads, or any other tasks you have active, even though the screen will turn off based on the time you set earlier. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Windows 11 laptop to turn off the screen while keeping your PC running continuously. This setup is perfect for situations where you need your computer to stay active for downloads, updates, or background tasks without the screen staying on unnecessarily. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.